This is a Surface Pro 9 by Microsoft. And what makes this device so unique is that it's actually really good at being a tablet when you want to be creative or take notes, or deliver proficient power when you slap on a signature keyboard and slim pen. And this is why I'm so excited to unbox and share the Surface Pro 9 in this gorgeous forest green colorway. Hi everyone, if we're new to one another, my name is Jamie, and if you didn't know, Microsoft Surface just had their 10-year anniversary a couple weeks ago, and they just launched all of these new products. And even though I've been a big fan of the quality behind their products and their builds, I've only used their Surface laptops. I've never actually used their Surface device, which is what they're known for, this 2-in-1 hybrid that we have right here in front of us. So I am so excited to get to use this Surface Pro 9 in my day-to-day use. And now the Surface Pro 9 is available in Intel's 12th Gen Core i5 or i7, and it can be spec'd up to 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD. They now even offer a 5G ARM-based version, and it's available in Platinum, Sapphire, and Graphite, and of course, yes, the forest green. Now those are some impressive specs, and its price tag does reflect this. It is not a budget or entry-level device. For that Pro name, you'll have to start off at $999 here in the US, and it can be spec'd all the way up to almost $2,600, and that is for the tablet alone. If you do want to make it work into that hybrid computer mode, you'll need its signature keyboard, which comes in at $279, but hey, it does come with a pen, so that is a good start. Now let's see what our dollar gets us, and let's go ahead and just start off with the Surface Pro 9 device itself. And although it does come with handy dandy pull tabs, I did actually just pick up this unboxing knife. Typically I just use a butcher knife to open up my boxes, but I've upgraded to this carved unboxing knife, so I'm so excited to use it. So yes, there is a pull tab there, but we're gonna go ahead and see how sharp this fella is. Ooh, like butter. I was really never a fan of knives, and you know, I'm still a little skeptical around knives or any form of weapons, but this is coming really handy to open boxes. And look at the color. Each design is really unique to its own hardware, so you'll never see two of the identical same knives, so that's pretty cool there. I'll leave the descriptions down below for their company. Now that's opened. Like that. There you go. If you don't, sorry. Don't dislike the video. Now let's go ahead and give it the shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Oh, tight squeeze. I love it. Okay, okay. Woo, there we go. So nice. Oh my goodness. Look at that color. Oh, and it's a metallic finish. It just looks so stinking good. Oh my God, it definitely feels premium. Again, I've had their laptops, never had their actual Surface device, and this feels absolutely fantastic. Let's set this to the side. What do they give us in the box? We get a manual. Did we get stickers? No, no stickers. You never know. Power brick. Oh, it's a hefty duty boy here. 65-watt charger, very, very nice. And there is a USB-A port right here that you can use for charging, and I believe it also transmits data. Oh my God, feels really premium. So it's under 2 pounds, which is just the perfect weight and size. Thank you. Ooh. Oh, that never gets old. Beautiful display, all glass, no matte finish. I do love that. And now let's go ahead and open up the signature keyboard. With the slim pen too, unboxing knife at the ready. This too has a pull tab, but we won't pull, we're gonna slice. Did I mention I love this unboxing knife I carved? It's really cute. Also never opened up one of these. It does come with our Alcantara fabric, and shimmy this sucker up as well. Nice, nice, nice. Feels great. Magnetic pencil there, can't wait to use that. I hear it has some haptic feedback. So that is cool as well. Let's clean up this mess that I have made. And now what's super cool about the signature keyboard itself, as well as some pen too, is that you'll never have to worry about charging either one. All you got to do is connect the keyboard to the Surface Pro via its 2 little magnetic pin connectors, and that's how you're able to charge and utilize both your pen as well as your keyboard. So you're not relying on Bluetooth connectivity to transmit information, so it should be pretty seamless. Can you imagine if you had to charge your pen or your pencil with a cord, a dongle, and an adapter, and it was the year 2022? Yeah, me neither. But let's go ahead and talk about the display, because the screen itself is a 13-inch Pixel Sense display with dynamic refresh rate that goes all the way up to 120 Hertz with its somewhat slim bezels. Its 3:2 aspect ratio is really great for productivity. Of course, it is a touchscreen with up to 10 multi-touch points, and its Gorilla Glass should keep you pretty well protected. And now let's take a tour of the device. So along here you have two Thunderbolt ports, so that'll be great for super fast speeds. Along the opposite side, this is where you're able to charge it with a proprietary Surface connector. And then along the top, you do have the power button, the volume button, and it does look like it does have a fan. So you should get pretty good sustained performance. So if you take a closer look around the edges, around the sides of the device itself, there is a gap. So you should get really good performance. And of course, you're gonna have mics as well as speakers built into your Surface Pro device. And again, wow with the build, this feels fantastic. And then as far as a webcam, you do get a 1080p webcam that also supports Windows Hello. And I say Windows Hello all the things. It's super convenient and quick to get into your device and get straight to work. So I do love that. And then along the rear here, also in landscape, can I say that? Landscape both, how it should be, that's great. You do get a 10 megapixel camera along the rear here that also supports 4K video. Who shoots 4K video on a tablet or a computer? I don't really know, but if that's you, it's got you covered. Now, as far as battery life, they do claim that it gets up to 19 hours of battery life. That is a bold claim. Of course, it's going to depend on your refresh rate, the brightness of your screen, and of course your workload. But I do imagine it would take you through a full 7 or 8 hour workday, which is great. The weight, again, as I've already mentioned, it is 2 pounds. It feels premium, it feels fantastic, and it should be just small enough and light enough to slip into your bag, take to and from the office without being too cumbersome. And yes, this screen, I am loving this screen. I'm not a green person, I'm an orange person, but this screen is absolutely fantastic. But what I'm actually super excited about is to be able to use a full-blown operating system, Windows 11, it comes pre-installed, on this tablet Surface hybrid device without having to learn new shortcuts, new keys like you do have to do with iPadOS. Speaking of iPadOS and iPad Pro, if you do want to see a comparison video, that should be in tomorrow, I believe. Drop a comment down below. And of course, while you're there, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, I'll see ya.